Hello there, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to share with you my V-flats. Now, I've been looking for V-flats and I saw they were so expensive. I just saw pictures of people and I'm like, oh my goodness, I want that background. And then I was like, oh my god, it's expensive. I can't, not that I can't afford, but I just felt there's no need of wasting money on it when you can easily make them. Now, the ones that I got here, I decided to just get full black on and then white separately. Normally the V-flat is a black and white type of thing. You know, I feel like my camera is kind of crooked. Like, do you see that? The way it's set up, it's weird. Anyway, so I got all black for my black backgrounds and white. The black ones, $9. And the white ones, oh, it's torn, so I have to move. So don't worry about my background. Actually, I'm in the process of putting things together in this house. I've been painting. I've been painting and just changing the color. I hate the color that was here originally. Now, we're not go on that. It's already painted and still putting things together. This is going to be my studio slash video room, so to speak. And yeah. Now, these ones are $6. And you know, when I was there at the store, where did I get them? Hobby Lobby? Yeah. So that's why I got them. And then what you need is duct tape. I bought one white and one black so that it's not visible when I'm taking pictures, or I can edit them out when I'm doing my, my edits. And also some stickers just in case I need to stick stuff on them and blah blah blah. So you can do a lot of things with them. Now, when I was in the store, I saw different colors. I saw blue ones, red ones, and I was like, oh my goodness, why didn't I think of this? I should have bought these colors in the beginning instead of buying background paper, which cost me an arm and a leg. Not that it's that expensive, but when you think about it, you're like, oh, I spent a pretty penny there that I should have invested. Anyway, it's not going to waste. I'm still gonna use them. You can see over there the red one, and there's a pink one on top. So yeah, oh la la, what am I doing? So anyway, it doesn't matter, I'll still use them. And I was thinking, those different colors you can just put together, and they also had different colors of duct tape. So I was thinking, you can just do your artsy thing, putting things together, and you make yourself a place to take pictures, like really. And since I love photography like no one's business, like I think I even dream about photography. It's that weird. Anyway, that's it. So let's get straight to the tutorial. Let me not waste your time with my rumbles. And yeah, just remember you can do a lot of things with this. You can put all the crafty artsy thing on it, like I don't know, leaves. I also got leaves that I'm going to put on them, but we'll see how that goes. So thanks so much for watching, and let's get straight to how I'm going to put everything together. All right, talk to you later. Bye bye. So just get done doing this, and I am so proud of doing these V-flats. Actually, oh my god, they look amazing, even with the shininess of the duct tape. It actually doesn't look bad when you take pictures, and I'm gonna insert the pictures that I took after constructing them, and you just have a look. Well, maybe minor adjustments, maybe I can fix something like editing. That's why you have Photoshop or those editing apps to help you, I mean, get rid of any problems that you have in a picture. Now, so I'm so happy. Another thing I was thinking, these two things can come handy. Like, let's say you want to section a room. I'm thinking you could use these, but find thicker boards, because these ones, they were a little bit thin. I think the thicker they are, the more expensive they cost. And also one thing, you know what? In Home Depot, they also have similar, like you would find a whole slab, half of that, like it's not, you don't have to fold these like in 4 pieces. Maybe you can use that, but I think they have pink ones, unless you want pink color. But if you just, or you can paint over it. If you have paint in the house that you want to not to go to waste, you can make your backgrounds just look amazing by using what you have, or using very minimal expense to enhance I mean, your videos. If you're doing videography, like if you're doing reviews or whatever, like your background, you can hide the dirt like the ones that I have behind there. But in my case, I have a right to do so, because I am trying to fix everything around here, like I'm painting and all that. So I am allowed to have a background like that. Anyway, other than that, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you loved the video, and I hope I just did my level best, because it's just using duct tape, just putting it there, and voila, you're done. And make sure when you're doing, don't make sure there's a little space so that you can be able to fold, and probably you don't have a big room to use, you can fold them and just put them on the side. Also, you can use these as, oh my god, I'm thinking of making for my son. He can play with these things, like you can make something like a tent, and why not? These things are heavenly. They're heaven sent. They're sent from above, like so cheap and easy to do. Anyway, other than that, I don't think I have anything else to say other than just continue taking pictures. I'm so excited I did something very productive, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye, have a blessed one.